everyone, it's me, Kenner. Today I have to make an announcement. Hinata's going to be in this video, and Lucas has been begging me to make this video. He really has. Anyways, yeah, this video is going to be of me and my 6 different slimes.
Don't forget about this slime.
So, yeah, the first one will be
Purple sparkle.
No, it's the Mini Galaxy.
The Mini Galaxy.
We actually have 2 galaxies.
Look at the sparkle.
But this is the Mini Galaxy. I got this for Valentine's Day, so I guess you could call it the Valentine's Galaxy. So, I got this from my boo-boo, Isa. Oh, yep. It's so cool. Okay. So let me just get this out so I could show you guys it better. Or show it to you guys better. Okay. So, it is super, super cool. Super slimy. Eventually, one of these days, I will make a butter slime. Not made out of butter. It just has the weird... I don't even know why they call it butter.
I really thought it was going to be made out of butter. I was like, really?
Yeah, he hasn't been on the inner tube lately.
I'd be like, are you really going to lick it like every day or what?
No, not a... Ew. No, I got on my bed. Whatever.
She loves butter.
I know I do. Anyways, here is that slime. So if you like any types of these slimes, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up anyway, you cruel people. I'm just kidding. You're only cruel if you don't give it a thumbs up.
No, it's not a good way to get subscribers. But anyways, commercial break.
Oh yeah, stop it. If you no, there's no commercial break. No. Anyways, but I did use the Staflo, in other words, liquid starch, to make these slimes. Just because it's the easiest thing that I would do. Anyways, before I play with my slimes, what I do is slather my hands in a little bit of it. Just so it doesn't... Stop it. No, I already said it. Not Okay. Just so it doesn't stick to my hands as bad.
Staflo.
Stop it. No, it's Staflo and it's liquid starch. Come on. No, stop it.
Use liquid starch.
Stop it. No,
to moisture your hands.
Stop it.
And
Okay.
make sure the goo doesn't get all sticky on your hands.
The next slide has 2 names.
Copyright 2017.
It is the blobber fish type of slime. I also call it unicorn skin slime just because there's a little bit of like unicorn flakes. You can't really see it because of my bad lighting. Anyways, it is super... Every time you touch it, it's like gets your hands all wet. It's so weird. I don't know how I did this, but I did use nail polish. My mom thought it would dry it up, but it doesn't actually. If you please leave a comment down below. Well, I'm not at the end of the video, but whichever slime that you want me to make, like whoever gets the most of that slime, then I will definitely make it. But here is the slime up close. As you can see, it's not very stable. It's super blobbery, like the blobfish or whatever it's called. Have we ever seen a picture of a blobfish? I'll see if I can get one on the screen. If not, I'm sorry. Anyways, but it's like the exact same color as a blobfish. They look so sad. I feel bad. Anyways, yeah, so there's that slime. Sorry if I talk too much for you. I'm a talker. Again. I don't know. Did you guys hear that? I made a fart noise. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'll see if I can make a fart noise with the next slime, which I'm going to go like smallest to biggest. But yeah. This slime is personally the Valentine's slime, just because it's pink and it's super amazing. But here it is. It's super jelly and stretchy. I can't even explain how jelly this is. It's so squishy. It's like Jello, but solid. How it doesn't crumble like that. Anyways, actually, I will be making another slime video on how to make this really crunchy slime. I would call it like slushy slime or something like that, where it's super duper hard, but you can like form it up. It's gonna be like a slushy. Anyways, all these slimes are clear, and then you just add glitter to it. Well, almost all of the slimes. Yeah, almost all the slimes. Anyways, this is the Valentine's slime. I'll try to get it up close so that we could hear the fart noises. Every time, just never mind. Okay. Tell me you guys heard that. Okay. Stab, stab, stab. Okay. Anyways, our next slime is the Galaxy in a Box slime. I'm calling it that because it's not in one of these cute little jars. It is actually in a box that I had to cover with mustache duct tape because if you know me, then yeah. Anyways, it is super galaxy themed. There's like little glitters, big glitters. I'll just try to get that up close, if you could even see. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty hard, but then again, it's like slimy. All of these slimes are good for a stress reliever. But this one I think might be the second best because the last one that I'm going to show you guys is going to be amazing. But yeah, almost all of these are clear. The next one after this actually wasn't clear. I used it with white school glue instead of clear glue like I did with these. But yeah. Well, there's that slime. Put it in the Galaxy in a Box slime. Oh, in the comments, I will definitely put what different slimes these are called, if I remember. Please don't judge me. Anyways, this is the next slime I used with white glue. I added some liquid starch to it because it was super sticky. It looks like brains right now, but this is actually pink bubblegum slime. I know, hard to believe, but when it's already mixed up, it actually does look like bubblegum. I will actually end up putting, oh, here we go, okay, some bubblegum scent in it very, very soon. Here it is. Now it is not clear. It's more of a white shade, but there are little little crystal chunks, not actual crystals, but crystal chunks in there just because, you know, there's little mints or little things in gum sometimes, or in that ice cream that has gum in it. Those are like little chunks. But I'm just going to take a little chunk of this slime just because I want to show you guys up close. So here it is. As you can see, my hands are now shiny because of the liquid starch. But it's super stretchy and super squishy. But it does stick to your hands, which is a bummer. But then again, it's not like regular glue, and it completely comes off. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys me squishing it in the bag because this is like satisfying to do, and I hope you guys find it satisfying too. If not, I will be a lone wolf laughing, or like, it's weird when I see satisfying things. I'll like laugh and go, ew. But yeah, here we go. If you could see. Yum. Brains. Anyways, last and dang it, a little piece of slime. Whatever, I'll just add it in the next one. The last one, this is why I made it last. Me and my boo-boo went crazy with glitter. Actually, there's never enough glitter. To be honest, that is what me and my boo-boo think. So, it's super hard, but then again, it's super weird and cool at the same time. So, this time I'm going to be taking all of it out and, like, placing it on the bag that it came in, because we had to get like a gigantic bag to play with this. Here it is. This actually used to be galaxy slime until we added a lot of glitter. See, look, if you could see through it, there's not enough glitter. But here it is. It's gigantic, guys. And if you guys are wondering where I got these containers, these were actually glitter containers, not for this because it must have taken a lot of glitters, but actually glitters that came in this Galaxy in a Box slime and this mini Valentine's Galaxy. Well, some of it. Okay. But it is so hard. I have to... But it feels good. This is the best stress reliever. Yay. Okay. Anyways, it is super cool, guys. I can't say enough about it. Ooh, I need to cut it for you guys. Give me 1 second. Give me a second. Where did my scissors go? Here we go. Scissors! Okay, I'm gonna cut it in half, show you guys the results. Because all of the glitters are like facing this way, not up. So it looks super weird. At first I thought there was something wrong with my slime, then I realized that is so cool. So I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, I'll put this one aside. Do you see these like black lines? It is super crazy. So I'll like flatten it out and then I'll cut through it. And there's like a black line. Do you guys see it? Here, I'll fold it a couple times. Okay, here it is. It is super weird. I don't even think you guys could see it, but I'm letting you know it's super duper weird when you do it. It's crazy talk. Anyways, I'll just put this back in the... Okay, I'm gonna put this back in its bag. Okay. So, I'm just going to put these slimes in order from smallest all the way, wait, I did this one first, okay, to biggest. Dang it. Why can't you stand, guys? Okay, there we go. I don't know if they're not. Okay, well, I'll just put them down. Safety first. Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? So here's the smallest to the biggest. Again, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button down below. I will try to get a blobber fish that is like the same color as this. But until then, this is why I made it last. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.